Hello everyone, Multi Super Guy 11 here, and again, we're going to be doing another taste test today. So, I picked up Star Wars, the Star Wars Oreos. I see you got two. One I'm not going to open, the other I am going to open. So, real quick, if you want to see the art, right there. And you either get the dark side or the light side. It's like random, so you don't get to choose. I mean, it's like a surprise, so we're gonna go ahead and just open this up and see what we get. And it looks like, let's see, I want this one open. Close this really good. Looks like we got blue. So let's give it a try. Again, I'm not going to open the other one. I'm just going to just keep that one unopened. Real quick, that's a R2. Oh, it almost fell apart. There's R2 right there. .3PO. I'm so good. Definitely recommend them. Han Solo. Mace Windu, I believe. I'm not going to show like all of the faces or whatever, but you could look those up probably on other videos or just look them online. But definitely recommend these. Really good. Yeah. So that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.